how to claim Robux in Please Donate. So let's say somebody donated to you. Now, how do we claim this Robux? So first up, you want to open up the Roblox website. Let's say we're at the home page, and right here, all you have to do is click on the Robux icon in the top right corner and then click on your current amount of Robux. So as you can see, we have some pending Robux. Now, how do we claim those? So first up, if you want to see what you sold, you want to click on this type of transaction drop-down menu. You want to click on it and then click on sales of goods. As you can see, somebody donated to us, and basically we get 70% of the donation amount. So right here, if we want to claim this Robux, basically you don't have to do anything. All you have to do is wait from 5 to 7 days. And then this Robux that you have right here will come automatically to your account. So basically, if you want to claim your Robux, you just have to wait about a week in order for it to come into your account. It is as simple as that, and congratulations on making some Robux. So if this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Goodbye.